Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher Smalley with Grand Lake MarineMax, and today we're going to be looking at a 2023 Crest Caribbean 250. It's going to have your black metallic on the fencing. This is an awesome looking boat and it's going to look very sleek out on the water. For propulsion, you're going to have a 300 Mercury outboard, and over the top of that is your stainless steel ski tow bar that's going to be great for all your water sports out on the water. Making our way up into the boat, you're going to have a great wraparound seating area with a transformable sun pad. You can lay this seat back all the way down and give you a full sun pad here in the back. Also have some nice storage for any fenders or lines you're looking to put back there. Making our way into the cockpit, you're going to notice that all of the seat bases are going to be fiberglass. Really going to upgrade the look of this boat and give it a nice sleek design to match the helm. Got some beautiful port side wraparound seating with a black upholstery. Crest uses a Cool Touch vinyl that's going to keep even this black upholstery in the hot summer days cool enough to be comfortable. You're also going to have your captain's chair as well as your co-captain's chair with thigh bolster. Full fiberglass helm design. You're going to have your gauge clusters as well as your digital Simrad dash. All of your switches as well as your Fusion built-in audio. It's really going to boost your experience here in the cockpit of this Crest. You're also going to have a cooled captain's cup holder with a dedicated switch that's going to keep your drink cool throughout the day. Here on your co-captain side, you got some great cup holders as well as your midship entertainment table. You can pull that out, make sandwiches, set drinks on it, make some cocktails, whatever you're looking to do out on the water. And here in the bow, you're going to have your standard bench style seating. This is really going to maximize your seating capacity here in the bow and allow you to bring all your family and friends out on the water. So here's a full walkthrough of this boat with the beautiful polyvinyl flooring, which is easy to clean. If you like this Crest or any other Crest you see in our online inventory, feel free to contact your local MarineMax and learn more today. Thank you.